Guess who just scored $2,000 worth of Visa gift cards from Westlake Royal Building Products? This guy. You want in? It's called the Westlake Royal Pros Perks Program. It's free to join, and earning points insanely easy. To start, create a profile, and once you're approved, you're ready to roll. Next, grab your latest invoices, go to Submit a Claim, fill out the form, attach your invoices, and boom, submit. You'll earn points on Westlake Royal's top products, including TruExterior siding and trim, Kleer Trim, Cedar Renditions, and more. Redeem points for Visa prepaid gift cards and spend the money anywhere you want, or pick from brands you'll love, like Bass Pro Shops, GameStop, Petco. Oh, and don't forget, click the email opt-in box. This will keep you updated on any additional promos that Westlake Royal is running. That's perks on perks, my friend. Westlake Royal Building Products doesn't just deliver top-notch building products, they reward you for using them. So sign up today, start earning points, and treat yourself.